Let's get to the Trader Rundown, and keeping with the Women at Work theme, we have Virginia McGathey, President of McGathey Commodities, with us today. Thanks so much for coming on our show.
Well, thank you for having me.
I have to ask, what's it like for you as a woman trading commodities?
Well, it's been a challenging endeavor, to say the least. You know, battling it out in the pits with men twice and sometimes three times the size of myself. You know, I've experienced much since starting back in that fateful day in December of 1975. And I think looking back, I think I wouldn't really have, wouldn't change it at all, maybe just a little bit. And I think for sure at this point in my life, after 40 years, I think that it will most certainly add a colorful mosaic to the book that I'm writing right now.
What would be your advice for women considering getting into commodities trading?
I say just don't be afraid. Jump in, the water's fine. Most of the trading now is online, so battling it out, physical battling it in the pit has been alleviated, and it's really opened up a lot of opportunities, and I think that it's a great place to get started to trade.
Do you think people in general are reluctant to trade commodities versus stocks?
Yes, I think maybe not as much as it was 40 years ago, because it seemed that even in commodities was a little bit of a boutique kind of market, meaning that just the farming community, sophisticated fund managers and floor traders were really the only ones that were trading it. But now futures trade a little bit like index futures now, and so people aren't as afraid of it and have really started to embrace it somewhat now.
Thank you, Virginia, for being with us. We hope to have you back.
It's always a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.